Excuse me. Hey, do you eat Cheez-Its and stuff like that?
Sure.
Oh, here you go.
Thank you, sir.
It's a bunch of snacks inside.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Stay safe.
No worries. Now I'm gonna make my salad. I got cilantro, scallion onions, dill, fennel, romaine lettuce, along with beets. So I'm gonna put some in the salad and the other parts in the smoothie. I cut the tops off of the dill and then I put the stems in my smoothie. Things that I don't want to eat. For the fennel over here, I don't want to eat the stems, so I'll just put the stems in my smoothie and I'll use the rest. Now I'm gonna add my scallion onions to the mix. So far I got mixed up fennel, dill, and cilantro here. I'm gonna cut up my scallion onions. I guess I'll put some bananas into my smoothie along with 2 mangoes, and I'll add some water. I came to this taco shop and I ordered some hibiscus drink and some tacos. What did you order?
I ordered a ton of stuff. I ordered some buffalo cauliflower. I got this cucumber lime lemonade. I got some vegan strawberry cake and some lentil soup.
Okay, good. Too bad they closed right on us.
Yeah, we were gonna come sit inside and they were like, no, we're closed. We're closed.
Wow, so next time we remember that they close at 7 p.m. on the dot.
It was my fault because I was trying to hook up my Ring doorbell.
Oh well. Well, it's time to head out now. I'm gonna head this time to Burlington, Vermont. I'm gonna catch a flight to Newark, another flight to Detroit, and then straight to Burlington, Vermont. I'll get there tomorrow